Well, I'm getting the old tractor fired up to go and disc up my new track. Hopefully that all goes well. Sun is shining. We're gonna make some stuff happen. Well, it's pretty much dark out now. I'm done for the day, but I'll continue tomorrow. I got a pretty good established little track going now, so I just want to turn up some of the big clumps and get her a little loamier. So the old disc is dropped off for the night, tractor's parked, and yeah, she's starting to look like something. So this reminds me in the spring when I was, I don't know, like 15 years old. I learned to drive my dad. Well, I was just driving my dad's tractor since I was about 6. But we used to do this stuff till it was dark, and I don't know, a lot of jumps we hand built by shovel stuff. But kind of takes me back. It's kind of brisk. Reminds me of a lot of the spring days when we were racing and stuff. So good stuff.